Hey guys, today I'll be doing another unboxing. So let's waste no time and get to it. It should be easy since I have this type of knife now. Hold up, I gotta look this thing up. Okay, this might be a bad position. This should be good here. Maybe not. Hold up. Coming over. Which side? Right here. I guess I'll put it right here. Hold up. Oh my god, this thing doesn't want to come out. I don't care anymore. Let's just do this. There we go. Hold up. Oh my god, I can already see it. And this thing doesn't want to come out. Hold up. Alright, finally got it. What it is, it's a dump truck. The original one. And the sticker started falling off. Put this in here. It's a good thing that never have batteries. Stickers aren't falling off, and that's just fine. Ooh, this thing doesn't want to move. That's pretty concerning. This has to be a first gen, right? Where's the... It doesn't show like a date. I'm assuming it's from 2004. The motor is probably locked up. Probably that's why it doesn't want to turn or move, I mean. Alright, moment of truth. First button we're going to click is obviously this one.
Caterpillar power. Press forward, reverse, or dump lever now.
Yep, there's definitely something wrong with it. I believe both motors are probably, one, a loose wire, or two, they're both locked up, which is probably the second one.
Back it up. Don't forget your hard hat. Move it out. Load up the truck. Don't forget your hard hat.
This is very loud.
Move it out.
Yep, this thing has something wrong with it. But no worries, once I open this guy up, which is today, don't do that, I'll be able to fix it. It's just, there's just a motor locked up motor. And after that, I'm good. And that's it for now.